Hi, I'm Erin Tyrell, the Clinical Application Trainer with Connie, Connecticut's Health Information Exchange. Today, I'm going to demonstrate using the Connie Alerts tool called Explorer. As a reminder, this tool lets you access PHI, so make sure you follow all the HIPAA rules and review our policies and procedures on our website under Training Materials. Explorer is our newly updated encounter notification tool that enables near real-time encounter notifications. So anytime your patient is in the ED, admitted, or transferred from a hospital or skilled nursing facility, you may use this work list to show your patient's encounters. You will see a new panel appear on the right-hand side of your screen. The gear icon on the upper left-hand corner will bring up the settings for the list. This allows you to set your preferred defaults. You only need to use the gear icon for the initial setup or when you would like to change your settings. Here is where you can default your panel and how you would like to view your tool. You may also default your view and patient download size up to 10,000, then save your changes. To select your panel, use the drop-down menu. You may have more than one panel if you work at multiple sites. Click on which panel you would like to view. Only 25 notifications appear at a time and updates every 20 minutes. You will see the patient's name, their date of birth, their admission date and time, the notification type, and facility name. To download the displayed list of notifications, click the download button beneath the dropdown. This will allow you to download an Excel sheet of the encounter details. You may filter the fields that you wish to view. You may also save your filters by clicking the Save Selected Fields by Default button. Click on which counter you would like to view. This will bring up the patient's demographics, encounter details and encounter history, insurance, and everything from the past 6 months and more. You may also right-click on the encounter to go into the patient's chart without having to go back to the home screen and type in their name and date of birth. In the table view is where you will see all the encounters in a different type of view by patient name, date of birth, gender, state, encounter type, which does include inpatient, outpatient, or emergency visit, and the date the patient was seen. You may also sort the list by encounter type by clicking the arrow next to it. You can sort by ascending or descending and customize your columns. The follow-up status column is a wonderful way to keep track of your outreach. The quick filter view on the right here is where you may filter what you would like to view in your dashboard. You are able to choose various varieties of filters. For example, I imagine some of you have nurses making transition of care calls. They can filter their list by discharge location, for example. If you would like to see all your hospitalizations for high-risk groups like your COPD patients, then you can also filter based on diagnoses. In this example, I have picked the discharge date and time. I'm going to select the last 7 days and hit the Apply button. Now my dashboard is going to show those who have been discharged in the last 7 days. If you want to narrow it down even more by clicking on facility name, you may go to Facility, type in which facility you would like to view, hit the Apply button, and you may keep narrowing down your search. If you wanted to save your filters for next time, go down to Save Current Filter, call it whatever you would like, hit the Save button, and your saved filters are located down here in this dropdown. If you wanted to switch your filter, you may click on whatever filter you'd like to view and hit the Load button. Now it's going to change my screen to the selected filter. If you want to clear your filters to go back to the original dashboard, you may hit the Clear Filters button at the bottom. Also, if you would like to add all your filters, then export this into Excel, you may do so by adding your filters and clicking this Export button on the top. Thank you for viewing our Connie Alerts tool.